Our soil. Finally, my work is complete. Morning chores, that is. Morning chores. Do you want to wash your bags or the doormats which become dirty over a period of time? So here it is what we do. This is the wastewater of the washing machine. Already I have done one round of washing of clothes. Now I'll put it here and spin it. Use of wastewater. After that, I am planning to use this water for my gardening purpose. The bag dry in the sun. In my balcony, actually this is an open balcony, also gives me an extended space. I have made it multi-purpose. At one corner it is the puja corner, and also I dry my clothes here, although there is a cloth arrangement out there. Still sometimes I do. There is a terrace garden as well, and a drying space as well. So I'll allow the bag to dry for some time. So I have kept this mug and this bottle for watering my garden. So here is the washing machine wastewater. I will water my plants now with this. If I give this the second kind of second level also gets water, and there are few stones taken from Rishikesh, Ganga, and let us have the second level of water, second mug of water. Now it is here. See, the water is coming out because it is smooth water. I'll have to mop this floor after some time. Yes, that is what I had planned here. And this is pretty drying, so I'll give some more water here, and I'll give. And you can see there is a pigeon out here sitting there. I think it is its place. She's sitting there, pretty afraid. But anyways, that is it. Then I'll take another mug, and in the main thing I'll give. To make that leaf, the green leaves which is here, I have prepared the base item. Like it is aloo ki sabji. It is looking now, it's still cooking. It will cook for another say 5 minutes. Now the green leaves have been washed already and kept it for final let go of the watery substance, because it has to go without any extra water into the curry so that it will retain its taste. Otherwise it will become like very watery. Leaves are being cut into very small pieces like this, and once it is done I'll put it into the sabji. Meanwhile, let us look at the sabji, how it looks. It is already cooked properly. Like this. Even the rice is cooking by side. Now I have put all the leaves in that aloo sabji to be cooked. It will be cooked for say another 2 minutes or so. Now we will cover it. Let it be cooked on its own. After thoroughly mixing, now the sabji looks like this. We will leave it for another 2 minutes till I strain the rice, because we East Indians actually strain the starch out of the rice. So while I do that, leaves the sabji will be simmering. So finally the sabji is done. It looks delicious. I put the slice of onion here to sprout into spring onion. So it takes like almost 6 hours to complete the morning thing, and then when it is complete, one feels like sitting down and enjoying the day, today being a holiday. This is the next day of Ram Navami. We are getting this holiday next day of Ram Navami. Anyways, it is a Friday, Saturday, Sundays are any days holidays, so we'll be enjoying an extended holiday. Thank you.